Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Paula. Nice to virtually meet you. Today I have something really exciting. I just received my very first Stitch Fix box and I'm super excited to open it and see what I have inside, and I wanted to show you kind of the things that I received and kind of give you just a very honest review from a first timer's perspective of what were the items that I liked, what I didn't like, and also I'm gonna try it on for you so that we can see how everything fits. But if you are not sure what Stitch Fix is and this is your first time hearing about Stitch Fix, it's actually like a personal styling subscription service that you can get, and they send you a box with an entire outfit. So you basically go and you do a bunch of quizzes like on your style, and they sign you up with a personal stylist. You can kind of give them like more details on what style you prefer and the things that you like, and then they'll put an outfit together and then they'll send it to you, and then you can try it on, and then you can see if you want to keep the entire outfit or you can just keep some pieces. So I actually found I had a referral code from someone else, and I'm gonna put a link in the bottom for the referral code from me so that you can get some credit off of your order if you decide that this is something that you want to try out. That's how I did it, and it worked out perfectly because I did not have to spend a penny. You do have to put in your credit card information, but I didn't have to spend any money on it, which I loved. And then I can just keep what I want, and then I believe it's $20 for it to ship. And then whatever you decide to get, it does go towards that $20. So if the item that you wanted to keep is like $60 and you only have to pay $40 for it. So here we go, let's see what I got. So first of all, the box is so cute. It has their logo on the side in like this little blue color. It's not just a regular brown box. It's a cool box. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. I'm like literally sweating. I probably could have used the scissors a lot safer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open. Oh, this is so cute. It has, it tells you the instructions on what you have to send back. I don't know if you can see it, but it basically tells you everything that you have to do to send it back whenever you do send the box back. We got the box open. So the box is all open, and in here we have a little poly bag to, I guess, ship whatever we need to ship back. And in here, what is this? So cute. Oh, hello. Thank you for styling us. It's just like a bunch of little papers. I guess this is all of the information of what to do. What is this? Okay, this is basically, it tells you the breakdown of all the items that you have in the bag and how much each one costs. And if you want to buy the total box, there's going to be a 25% discount on everything. So it comes out to be a better deal than if you just bought everything individually. So cute. So I guess here is like the outfits that come in the box. Some style tips of, I guess, how you can wear them. But that's what that looks like. So I guess this is the clothes. It comes shipped in this little brown bag. And then, ooh, this must be the shoes. I'm gonna check out the shoes first because I love shoes. These are so cute. It's like these little Keds. They're very like a neutral shade with the gold little, what are these called? The little thing for the laces, and then it says Keds with the logo in leather here. Very cute. And they're the Dream Foam, so I'm sure these are super comfy. I used to wear Keds so much when I was in like middle school and high school. They were my favorite shoe, and I bought like 4 pairs of the same color. The navy blue ones, if anyone's curious which ones I loved, but these are really cute. I love being in sneakers. It's one of my all-time favorite shoes to be in, obviously, because they're so comfy. So I'll put these off to the side, and now we're gonna go ahead and open the clothes. I like don't, this is packed so cutely. I don't even want to open the bag. Maybe I'll just take out the sticker. Should I just pull them out? Okay, I'm just gonna pull them out because I don't know, I feel guilty breaking this really cute bag. Put this back in the box. Okay, so the first one is this like blousey shirt. So my first impression of this is kind of confused because this kind of seems like it's like a chiffon-y type of shirt, and on my little style quiz I said I didn't really want work clothes, but I don't know. So not my favorite, but we'll try it on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, next one is stripe pattern. It looks like maybe a dress. Oh, no, it's actually a jumpsuit. It looks like a long jumpsuit. Okay, this could be cute. This next one, this looks like another top. And this is like a sleeveless blouse. It's like a nice, not chiffon, but not silk material, not satin, but it's like a very soft, and then it has like this scrunchie at the bottom, like the smocked stretchy thing at the bottom. Again, I feel like this looks like a lot of workwear. Maybe I just did my style quiz wrong. And then the last one is a pair of pants. It's like a black pair of skinny jeans. So I mean, you can never go wrong with a pair of skinny jeans. So I guess we'll just try everything on and see how it fits. So I decided I'm gonna try on the sneakers first because these are like the only thing that I've been liking. So I'll show you what they look like on. The shoes fit. This is what the Keds look like. I absolutely love this little gold aglet. I just put on the sleeveless top, and honestly, I'm pretty shocked by how well it fits me. I did get to mark that I preferred petite items, and you get to write down like if shirts normally fit larger on your arms, if your arms are longer, shorter. So I think that definitely does help. Like the styling, like the fit of this is amazing, and it fit me perfectly. Like normally down here the sleeves are huge on me, and this like it's not choking my neck, but it's a very, very flattering cut. But this is the scrunchy part, and I kind of just like tucked it under because I'm wearing high-waisted jeans. So I decided to try on the jumpsuit, and I'm honestly just shocked by how well everything fits, but I don't know. I feel like this would be really cute. Oh, I'm gonna try it on anyway. The fit of this is awesome. I love this little bow detail that it has, and it's also just very, very comfortable, but I don't know, I feel like this would be just perfect if you worked in an office. I would normally not pick this up at all. Like I'm scared of jumpsuits like this. I just feel like it's very business casual, and I mean, I'm sure you could dress it down, but I'm not like in a corporate environment right now, although I feel like this would be so perfect for when I do go back to the office. But do you think this is like a sign? Like, does this mean that I'm going back to the office soon? Is that why I got this box? Maybe. This is outfit number 3, I think. So it's the top and the black skinny pants that they sent me. You can see the jeans, like they never fit me this well. I feel like this would be great if I was working, again, in an office, or like for my mom, this would be perfect, but for me, I just don't know if I'm like gonna keep it. So those were all the items that I received from my very first Stitch Fix box. I think overall I'm a little bit disappointed with my first box, but I was very surprised by how well everything fit. For me, it's very hard to shop online sometimes just because the fit is always a little bit off, but every single piece that I tried on fit me great. I don't have anything against what I received. I thought they were nice pieces, but not necessarily something that I was looking to put into my closet now. So I don't think I'm gonna end up getting anything or keeping any of the items from them, but they do have an option where you can go online and just shop individual items through specific looks. So I'm gonna try that and just give it another shot to see what I can find. But the box was not my favorite thing. I don't know, maybe it's because I put to receive petite pieces and maybe they only had petite pieces in workwear. I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely not gonna cancel Stitch Fix just yet because I wanna just give them another shot. What they have online, I've heard that they do have a lot more like trendier pieces online, and if I get anything great, I'll let you guys know. But I hope this video was helpful for you if you're interested in trying out Stitch Fix. If you are curious about it, I do have my little referral link in the description below. Also, if you tried it before, just let me know if you like it. Maybe I did something wrong. Let me know what I did wrong. And if you are interested in trying it out, also let me know what you think when you do try it. But thank you guys so much for watching. It does mean a ton. If you like this video or if it was helpful in any way for you, make sure that you hit the like button and you subscribe to see any more of my future videos. I do make videos every single week. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!